because I see
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you're a hardworking guy.
It
Uh,
should just work on the change, not the
right. Oh, something happened.
okay. Nice. Okay.
Woo! Perfect.
Yeah, good job. That's good. It's exciting.
Exciting.
All right.
Now you
So
can save
that
more
just
time on sending emails.
yeah. All right. And the
And
nice thing is just with all the checklist items, it's that we're already using the sheet
yeah,
just manually in a sense. But if you've got 50 of these sheets and you've got stuff that's not been done, you're not getting reminded about it. So
yeah, sure.
as well, but yeah, just sort of if I can get this one function down, then we can then work on the next plan
Yeah,
on the next. So this, I've got lots of little automation things I want to do, and there's stuff that I'll be wanting to do with Make as well,
yeah.
Adrian, with to do with other stuff, I think. So, um,
This is. It was. I wasn't expecting it to be this fleshed out, but I like to build good things, not just
yeah,
a function.
yeah,
So
yeah.
this.
No,
This.
it's good. So I'm happy with the way that it's running, and I can sort of see how I can if I add if I add aspects to it, I can tweak it a little bit. So
Yeah.
um, to
Yeah.
build that out.
And I
Yeah.
really like the fact that you were technical enough, and I mean you know quite a lot about the process, where it didn't feel like I was just building, 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 but it felt like we gradually kind of
Yeah, crafted it into something that we could run with.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
because it
yeah,
I would have never come up with this like from the get go. This is it's very sophisticated in some ways, but it's not like one big idea. It's just like very like
yeah. It's a concoction of things. So
it's been great working with you, Dale.
thank you. Yeah, good working with you too, Adrian. So
Thank you.
thanks for getting that one resolved and taking me through. So yeah, I kind of have an idea about things, but then I just don't have the capability to execute them
I
efficiently.
think
So.
I think you're being very not humid. What is it called? Humility. What is it called?
No, well, I also don't want to sort of spend all that frustrating time. I can understand things when things are put
Exactly.
together. I can, oh, that goes there, but to actually create something from scratch or from nothing, it's
Yeah.
too painful for me.
One is
So
pain. The other one is I actually think it's not worth your time. It's just not
yeah,
worth your
yeah,
time. Your
yeah. I want to be able
hourly.
to use my time elsewhere, and yeah, and jump across to more skillful people with new ideas and differences.
I
Yeah,
see
like
what you mean.
yourself.
I see what you
Yeah.
mean. Awesome. Okay, Dale.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice
Thank you
talking to
so
you.
much. All right, and enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Thank
No,
you very
don't work
much.
too hard.
Thank you very much. I will try my best. I'm looking forward to having also my first Upwork review. That would be great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be your first one, will it? So, okay,
Yeah,
no
I
probs.
used to work outside of Upwork. I'm new to Upwork, but this is a good
Okay, yeah.
start. It's a good start.
I'll smash that one for you. I'll make it good. So, yeah.
Yeah, just
Thanks, Adrian.
be honest. Full and if by the way, if anything you think I could have improved, I want to hear
No,
that.
I do. I like the fact that you come up with ideas. I like the fact that you did the videos, that you're on the video, that you're running through. So that was all proactive. You jumped in. You had a. I prefer people to jump in and have a go, and then come up with ideas rather than. I hate dealing with because they want to ask you every question up front, and then they're trying to make you do all the thinking, and they're just operating, and it's just like, well, you know. I'm already cognitively overbooked anyway. So
I see
yeah,
what you mean.
so
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I just want to be able to jump in, have a go, come back with feedback, and of course, just run the clock on that. So
Yeah, that's
so
I like that. Yeah.
it worked. It worked perfectly for me. So
Perfect. Yeah, feel free to mention these things and uh, yeah. No, great. You've been clear also. So
yeah.
it felt to
Uh,
me that you had an idea, but also you didn't care about how it's done, which is amazing because I have free hands to kind of build. I mean,
yeah.
I never thought about a dashboard, but then I was like, why not have a dashboard? And then kind of again, it just kind of built up to
Yeah.
something great.
Yeah. Yeah, and it was collaborative, so that was good. So yeah.
Yeah. All right, man. Thank you.
Okay.
And
Well,
talk to you
thank
later.
you.
Bye.
Thanks, Adrian.
Bye.
Bye.